Should you use milk to mix it? So if you're not doing keto, you definitely can do that. But we do keto, and if you want to do keto, you want less sugar, and milk has a lot of sugar in it. You could use almond milk. There are actually some low carb milks. They're really hard to find, but you can even find like a lower carb milk and use that. But what we recommend is that you add some fat to it. Yep. At least 10 grams of fat, which would be like heavy cream, a little bit of butter, so a little bit of oil. We recommend avocado oil. And so that the
vitamins can be absorbed.
The vitamins can be absorbed because there are vitamins in Keto Chow, and we want you to be able to absorb those.
So we have a page. If you search for Keto Chow half and half, this table comes up. The key thing is the problem. Well, almost everything has a 1 tablespoon serving, except for milk, and so the nutrition info always rounds down, and so it always looks like everything has like 0 carbs.
A little better than it is.
But here you go. Here's how many carbs there are in 400 calories of them. Skim milk, 58. 2% milk, 38. Whole milk is barely any better. It's 31. Half and half isn't great. You get down to whipping cream and you're down to, only 4 carbs.
Yeah.
Heavy whipping cream is 3 if you can buy the 40% Dairy Gold. 2.67.
That's what we use from Costco.
0.03 grams for butter. So if you're doing a ketogenic diet, I would not recommend ever using milk at all.
But if you're like transitioning over, if you just started and you're just thinking about it, you can try it for a while. But then I would probably graduate from milk. Also, one thing I noticed too, which may be silly, this is what I do sometimes with some of the keto cereals. I don't love almond milk. I just get tired of almonds in everything, and so I just put a little bit of heavy cream and then some water. So it makes it my milk. So it's kind of silly, but it makes me happy because then it seems like milk to me.